Hey y'all, Mykael, Jackman here again, and I'm going to run through a styling showcase with you of about 8 different looks. So for look number 1, this client had months and months of new growth, as you can see, so I had to strategically lighten her hair, making sure to resaturate certain areas to blend out the line of demarcation, then apply toner and a shadow root. For look number 2, I just carefully selected a few areas of her hair to just give her an extra lift for the overall look with some foils and some light backcombing. For look number 3 and 4, I pretty much used the same preparations, which was a slight trim to shape the hair, mild relaxer, semi-permanent black color, treatment, and a wrap molding technique which incorporated some soft waves around the front. And then I went ahead with some styling using a ceramic iron for a soft pin curl effect. So this client came in wanting to try something different. I decided to do an undercut with a low taper fade, a middle part with cornrows going back. It was his first time doing any kind of braid, but he was quite happy with the look. For this next look, this client is always looking for something artistically creative. So I cut the size to a number 1. I did some freehand styling with the Babyliss FX and some razor work on the sides, and I applied lightener to the middle as well as a little accent piece to the side. I did a scrunch effect, kind of scrunch finger wave effect for the middle, with a custom colored piece of hair extension was also added for extra height and fullness. And at the end I used a white color enhancement just to accentuate some of the lines in the design. For this next look, I did some light freehand design work before applying a mild relaxer to all the new growth, then molded the top into a ponytail and applied 12-inch hair extensions to the ponytail area and cut it into a 1-length bob. Also applied hair extensions to the front area and just did some razor work for some face framing effect. For this final look, this client wanted to have a bit more color towards the ends of her hair. I used 20 volume and lightener just a few inches above her previously colored hair and used sienna brown as the toner. There was about 3 strands where I lightened with 30 volume and used fashion color red, gold, and green for some added personality and character. I retwisted the roots of her hair and palm rolled before I gave her a nice updo for her evening out, and she was quite happy with the look.